Hey everyone, if your Samsung SSD doesn't show up on macOS even after installing the PSSD software, don't worry, I've got you covered here. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. I'm using Samsung T7 for this demonstration, but the process would work for similar models. As you can see, even if I plug in the hard drive, nothing happens, it shows disconnected, so let's fix it. Alright, step 1 is to install Samsung software. Plug in your Samsung SSD. Even if the full storage doesn't show up, you will see a small partition with the installation files. Open the Samsung portable SSD software from that partition and then click continue and agree and then install. Just enter the admin password here and then just install it. You might see a few security prompts. Just click OK, and I'm going to click OK here. There's a system extensions updated, so we will just click OK here and then click OK. Go to open system settings here. Alright, so if you scroll and you will see some system software requires your attention before it can be used, so click on details right there. Let's click on that and just enter the password, and then you click Samsung Electronics, enable it, click OK, confirm with the password again, and you will have to restart the computer from here. So let me just close everything and right, next step is to allow kernel extensions in macOS recovery. Since macOS blocks some third-party drivers by default, we need to allow some kernels extensions manually. So I would just shut down the computer and then hold my power button until I see the recovery mode. So I'll show you how to do that. So let me shut down the computer. I just need to quit some of my apps. Alright, so we just go to shut down, click the Apple icon and shut it down. Right, so let me just press and hold my power button. I will hold it until I'll see the recovery options. Right. Okay, it'll pop up in a moment. Alright, so as you can see, there's an option, so click on the option and continue. And there you go, just select the user if you have multiple users in case, and then just enter the password and continue. And then in here you could just go to utilities and then click on startup security utilities. There. Alright, since my Macintosh is encrypted, I have to unlock it, so click on unlock and enter the password and unlock button. Then you will see the security policies. Just click on that and then select the second option, reduce security, and then allow user management kernel. This will allow the Samsung extensions to be installed. So click OK once you enter the password, and it's applying the security policies now. And you just need to go back and reboot the computer right there. Restart, and that should bring up to the desktop. Alright, I'll resume after my signing or logging into my computer. Alright, so here we have the Samsung software, and let's plug in the hard drive, and there you go, that's the T7 drive, and plugging into the computer. As you can see, it's detecting, and voila, that's all. So I can give a name and also choose a security mode. Well, I'll select the security with the password and fingerprint, and then enter a name and call it TMN. And well, you can give any names that you want to identify your hard drive. So let's begin setup. Okay, and set up a password. Just enter the password that you preferred. Just make sure it's complex. Alright, and then let's scan the biometrics. It's easy, just follow the screen and then scan your thumb. Once done, add it, or you can add more fingerprints if you want, otherwise you can just click on done. That's all. So when you scan it now with your thumb scan, it will unlock it. Simple. There you go. And that's it. Now your Samsung SSD is fully working on macOS. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.